If you want to be able to share the internet connection from your iPhone over to another device, like an iPad or a Mac computer, I'll show you exactly how to set up that personal hotspot, how to turn it on, and how to connect from another device over to your iPhone. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on Personal Hotspot. We're going to configure this, but first just turn on Allow Others to Join. And then tap on Wi-Fi password. This is a password that you can set that the other person or the other device will enter in when they connect. So all you need to do is start typing in some letters. It needs to be at least 8 characters. After you've done that, I would highly recommend scrolling down. If you're connecting to a device that is not an Apple device, make sure to turn on maximize compatibility. This will help it to be able to work with a PC or Android. Now, after we've done that, the thing here you can see is that to connect, choose Trevor from the Wi-Fi settings on that computer. So essentially, Trevor is your iPhone name, so just look for that when you connect. And next, we're going to swipe down from the top right. We need to make sure that the personal hotspot is discoverable. So let's press and hold where it has the Wi-Fi and the airplane mode, and then tap on Personal Hotspot here. You can see it is off. Make sure to tap on it so that it says it is discoverable. And after you've done that, essentially all you're going to do is go to the Wi-Fi option on that other device. Again, look for where it says the name here of your iPhone. So enter that in or tap on that Wi-Fi, and then you'll enter in this Wi-Fi password to be able to connect. At the bottom here, you'll be able to see data usage. We'll give you a full breakdown of how much data that device has used. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.